Google Chrome and Google Search. In this video, you'll learn about signing into Chrome, using bookmarks, and the incognito browser.
Hey there. In this video, we are going to be looking at Google Chrome and also Google searches. So the first thing listed on the skills checklist is to sign into Chrome for syncing. Google Chrome is really neat that it is a web browser you can sign into and it saves everything for you. So it doesn't matter what computer you're on, it'll pull up all your bookmarks. Depending on the permissions you have, it could also have all your saved passwords in there. So it's very handy, but I will warn you, make sure if you're using Chrome browser, if you're logging in on a public device, that you log out. So at the top right of your Chrome browser up here, you'll see my name. And you can see I am already logged in and it is set to sync. I can go in here and I can manage my account. And I actually have multiple accounts that I sign into on here. So I sign into my main one for the Chrome browser, and then I can toggle back and forth between secondary Google accounts. But it saves all of my personal information. Like I said, it can save your passwords and your payment information, things like that. So you can go in there and update it. And also in here, excuse me, if you want it, you could buy extra storage in your Google Drive. So Chrome has all these different options in it, and it pulls over everything when you go to a different browser. The second thing it wants me to show y'all is how to create, manage, search, and edit bookmarks. Over here, if you look at the top right, that's your kebab. You can click on that, scroll down, and there's bookmarks. So these are bookmarks, web pages I go to often, and they are saved in the browser, so it pulls up on any computer I log into. So I have some of these things are in the bookmark bar right here. These are the ones I use most often. And then the other ones, I can actually click on these two arrows and they'll pop down that way also. So I can scroll to any of my bookmarked pages, but I can go up here in bookmarks and manage them. And this is how, if I wanted to, I could go in and remove a bookmark. Let me see. Click on it on the kebab, delete, and that makes it go away. And you can also go up here and import from another browser if you'd like. So the really neat thing about this is that it follows you on any browser you log into, and they will show up right here in this bookmark ribbon if you so desire. And that's how you turn it off. Blink. Okay, keeping information private with incognito. It's the next skill it wants me to go over. So if you go back up to your kebab at the top right, and you can do an incognito browser, and it pops up a whole new window. Mine's a little bit different because I have my settings in here with this awesome background that I really like, but yours would look like a regular Google page at this point. With incognito, it does not save your browser history. It doesn't save any of your login information. Basically, it is a hidden browser window where you can go surf. But if you're using a public computer, I suggest you do use incognito browser just so none of your stuff is in there. Just because you're using incognito browser doesn't mean that your school, if they control your Google account, or your internet service provider can't see what you're searching for. So while it is great for general security, don't think that it masks everything you're doing. So right here you can see incognito, it tells me there, but it also has a black bar instead of this regular colored one.